How's it going, bro? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to explain you exactly how to make your bass sound really professional. We're going to be talking about a technique which is going to make your bass sound so professional, and you're going to definitely have to use this technique in most of your productions in the future. I'm still using them in my productions recently, and it's always going to serve you. So definitely make sure to stick until the end of this video, because you need this whole video to understand this technique and how to use it properly, so you're never going to have a bad bass line ever again. So I created the track Lonely Ghost, which is right now out on Spotify. And we're going to listen to the build up and the drop, and then I'm going to share with you exactly what I did with the bass line. So I'm going to mute now all the elements except the kick and the bass, and then I'm going to share with you exactly how to make this trick work in your productions. If you're wondering, by the way, what kind of sound I'm using here, I'm using a preset from Silent One, which is this heavy moog bass. The bass line itself is on channel 1, which is the sub bass here. You can already hear that this kind of information is just mono, so there's no stereo information. So what multiband compression basically does is that it adds certain frequencies, maybe even the stereo field, maybe extra saturation, and it basically makes the bass line sound more fat, more full, more complete. How you do this is very simple. You just basically have the bass channel, and then you're going to basically assign a second channel, which is the parallel processing channel, which is in this case bass layer 1. The way how we do this is very simple. We just basically assign the basic channel to another channel, and then on this channel, if let's say we don't have any effects, any saturation, any compression, what we're basically doing is just to duplicate the same bass sound. It's going to just sound louder, but nothing really changes, and there's no really a big difference, just the loudness is louder. As you can already hear, the whole information is still completely mono. There's no really different harmonics, it's just a little bit louder. But with the parallel processing, this whole thing sounds like this. By the way, if you've gotten any value from this video so far, please make sure to like it right now and subscribe to my channel to not miss out any tech house production or house music production tutorials in the future, and also turn the notification bell on so you're the first one who can implement all this knowledge. So as you can see on this second channel, I have different types. For example, I cut away the low frequencies. Reason for that is very simple, because we don't want to just have this super overpowered sub bass. We want to basically just add top layer information. We just want to add all the bass frequencies which are above 152 Hertz. Then I added a decapitator, which is saturation, which kind of changes a little bit the sound. With the decapitator it sounds again a bit different. Let's just for example now mute the decapitator and the high pass low pass filter, even mute the compression with the high pass filter, with the decapitator, with the compressor. And then we have as well the patcher, which is basically a, this is basically just a mid-side EQ, so it cuts away the low frequencies from the side. So because on the side channels we do not want any sub frequencies, that's why I use this patcher. And then we added another parametric EQ to boost a little bit the low mid frequencies, 290 Hertz. By the way, if you're now still struggling how to produce professional house music, I'm offering one-on-one online coachings where I'm explaining you exactly how to do this. All the techniques I learned myself, all the techniques I'm teaching in YouTube tutorials, I can explain you that more personally, so you basically speed up the whole process of music production. I have heaps of coachings right now booked with people who actually just realize, okay, I want to learn faster, I want to learn this, but I don't know how to fix the bass, and I don't know, this specific track doesn't sound good yet. So if you want to find out more about this online coaching, please make sure to go right now on my Instagram and just send me a private message and just basically tell me a little bit about what your goal is, why you think this coaching might help you. Otherwise, I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. I think this technique is so important. You should definitely use this in all your future productions. And also, if you want to know what makes a bass line danceable and bouncy, make sure to check out this video as well, which explains really in detail what kind of bass pattern makes it really bouncy, what makes people dance to it, like the psychology behind the bass pattern. And I see you, bro, in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy producing.